By the time other Videract members would be thinking about the topic and selecting a niche that would make them profits, you would have already made a massive ROI and crushed a few leaderboards. What makes these DFY interactive review videos a profit-sucking machine, original and exclusive? These videos can only be found here. That means nobody would even come close to getting access to such high-quality videos because these are not available on any other platform. Tested and proven to convert. The team behind these videos are seasoned marketers and designers. They understand the market. In fact, they are themselves the trendsetters. Using these videos, I have raked in incredible commissions. Designed to work. These interactive review videos are designed to get you better conversions than any other video out there. Work great as examples. These DFY videos will help you set a standard for the videos you are going to create pretty soon with Videract. The fact that these are designed and created by experts, all you got to do is try and match the quality and other specifications. Pre-approved JV offers included. You don't even have to go looking for niche and products that you should promote with these videos. Everything is included already. As a call to action, just insert your buy link and you are all set to collect fat commissions completely hands-free. Unbeatable quality and pricing. Compared to the price and quality of videos available elsewhere or the time and energy you would have to spend on creating such videos, the price these are being offered at today is a steal. Think about it, if you the 20 DFY review video pack, each video would cost you just $6.5 and the 40 DFY review video pack brings the cost further down to just $4.95. 30-day money-back guarantee. Cancel anytime. In case you don't find the DFY interactive review videos useful, you can cancel it within 30 days and get your money back. All the money you would have made thus far is for yours to keep, with compliments from the Videract team. Please note that in case of cancellation, your pack would be offered to the next member in the waitlist. So, you can't get it back.